So we know that owning an RV, especially if you have a significant other and traveling, can be challenging at times. Whether it's trying to back into a camp spot, trying to find a place to just pull over and pee, whatever it may be.
Somebody's a slob, which is neither of us, of course.
Or just a myriad of other things that can go wrong on the RV. They can really put a stress at times if you're a couple.
So in today's video, we are going to give you our top RV products that are going to save your marriage. So in this video, we are going to give you 6 of our favorite accessories and upgrades that will save your marriage. And make sure to stay to the end because we're going to give you the most important accessory of all. All right, number 1. Ladies, you like to take a long shower. Guys, you like to take a long shower. Izzy has no hair. He's in and out of the shower very quick. This is a long mane, all right? So to wash, condition, I gotta shave my legs, all of these things, that shower is gonna take a little longer. If Izzy gets in there before me and the warm water, hot water is gone, the Truma tankless water heater has been one of the best upgrades we have ever done because we can go in there, both of us, take a half an hour shower if we want, if we're connected to water, and all is good. Nobody's gonna get pissed because the other one stole all the hot water. Definitely think about adding a tankless water heater to your coach.
Number 2, two-way radios. Now we've done numerous other videos and we will link them up above regarding items you should have on your RV. Not only is this a safety issue so you don't run your partner over, but it's going to make life so much easier. When we pull up to an RV campground, if we're backing out of a gas station, all I have to do is give one of these to MJ or she gives one to me and hello, it's done. We have clear communication and it saves a lot of time, potential damage to your RV, and believe me, it reduces the amount of fighting that you're gonna have. Also, you can use your cell phone, but if you're in an area where there's no cellular signal, two-way radios will save the day.
Number 3, you know on those chilly nights when you wanna have that comforter and then all of a sudden you feel this? And the comforter goes flying off you, right? And you want to turn around and punch your spouse in the head? Yeah, that's a good time to upgrade to a larger comforter. So when we have a king bed now. When we had our trailer, we did have a queen size bed. We made sure to get a king size comforter. So that would avoid any midnight brawls over the comforter. So highly recommend upgrading your size on your comforters.
All right, guys, this one is really, at least for me, was really a pet peeve. So MJ said earlier that she has a mane. With that mane comes all kind of product. And when you're going, that's cool when you're at home, but when you're going down the road, that product ends up everywhere in the shower. Body wash, body scrubs, shampoo, conditioner, conditioner for the conditioner, conditioner for the conditioner, conditioner. You get it. So what we found is that we keep it real simple now. We have a 3, cylinder shower dispenser. And in there we have 2 is for MJ and 1 is for me. Because I just use body wash for everything, including my head. But all kidding aside, they're very easy to install. They're relatively inexpensive. And it allows you some free space that you don't have all these bottles and everything everywhere, and this stuff's not rolling down the road. It's held up really well, and we love it.
All right, number 5. This little thing was the source of so many fights. You put it here, yeah, it's a level, it's easy to use, I can tell what side is whatever. But then when we would say, okay, the bubble is on the left, which side does the jack need to go up, down, sideways? I don't know why. I'm a smart gal. I can drive the heck out of this thing. This, for some reason, just gave me a really hard time. And Izzy would always be, no, if it's down, then it has to go up. And this, I said, forget it. We got the LevelMate Pro. That thing has made leveling a cinch. Yes, we have auto levelers. They don't work as well. This LevelMate has been a godsend. It is the easiest thing to use, and we now avoid fights over this stupid little orange thing.
Number 6, again, something that I had suggested, medicine cabinet organizers. If you have a wife, you understand that there's a lot of product that goes along with having a wife. Nail polish remover, nail polish, facial creams. The list goes on and on. You can lose a medicine cabinet very quickly. I think in my medicine cabinet I have like my toothbrush, some ear stuff, whatever. Anyway, when you're driving down the road, that stuff goes everywhere. So you get to a destination, you open up the medicine cabinet and stuff just comes flying out. There are some simple medicine cabinet organizers that do two things. One, they allow you to carry more stuff because the stuff is organized. Second thing is that they keep everything in place. So when you get to a destination, it's not all over the place. It's exactly where you left it when you left your original destination. By the way, all these products that we're talking about, we're gonna link them down below.
And now for the most important item, accessory upgrade that we did to our rig. For those of you that have kids, look, mom and dad need alone time. You're in very tight quarters. So to ensure your safety during your alone time.
Yeah, so the bedroom we have has a pocket door. There's no lock. Well, there's a locking mechanism, but you can open, doesn't really lock. So all I did was go to any big box store. I think I went to Home Depot. You just get the regular hook and loop and did a quick, $4 mod. And now we could at least just put that hook and loop in, so Jason never decides to come in unannounced. He has a lock, but now he kind of knows.
Yeah,
so.
he's good. He knows to knock. But yes, especially those of you that have young children, this would really, really help you out. These are our top items, which have definitely helped reduce fighting when we're out RVing.
And we're going to put them all in the links below. Also, if you have any items that you have used that have helped reduce the stress in your relationship, put them in the comments below.
We want to know.
And for myself and MJ, we thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.